children. Welcome to English online class. Yes children, in the last class we have learned the meaning of Unit 8, lesson number 8, the fox and the partridge. Right children? Today let us see page number 26 of the same lesson. Let us see what is that. Let's answer. Okay children? Today let us see let's answer of lesson number 8. Read the sentences. Say whether they are true or false. So we should read these sentences and we should write whether they are true or false. Okay children. First one. The fox was very hungry. Is it true? Yes. So we should write true. The fox was very hungry. True. Second, the fox and the partridge were good friends. Is it true, children? No, that is false. Third one, the fox liked to swim. The fox liked to swim? No, false. Fourth one, the fox wanted to eat the partridge. Is it true? Yes. Is it correct? Yes, children, true that is. Fifth one, the fox tricked the partridge. Is it correct? Yes. Should write true. Sixth one, the partridge went to sleep. Is it true? Yes. True. Seventh one, the fox ate the partridge. Is it true, children? No. So we should write false. Next, eighth one, the partridge tricked the fox. Is it true? Yes. So we should write true here. Okay, children, like this we should write. Next, block a word. Block a word. Let us see what is this. Read all the words around the block. Then read the sentence in the block. Think of a word that rhymes with the words around the block and which fits the sentence. Write that word in the given space. So here you can see two rectangles, right children? So here these are the blocks. Okay. Here you can see some words. Around the block you can see some words. 4 words you can see. Okay. Then we should read the sentence in the block. And again we should think of a word that rhyme with the words around the block and which fits the sentence. So we should write the answer for this sentence that rhymes with these words, okay, around this block, and we should write the answer here in this space. Okay children, let us see first one. Let us read these words first. Nest, best, west, test. Okay, these are rhyming words. Now let us read the sentence inside this block. You do this when you are tired. You do this when you are tired. What is that? We should write the answer here, and that word is the rhyming word of these words. What is that, children? You do this when you are tired. What is that? Yes, that is rest. R-E-S-T, rest. So this is the rhyming word of these words. See here, nest, best, west, test, and this is rest. Okay, that rhymes with the words around the block. This is the answer. Next, second one. Park, shark, dark, bark. Rhyming words, right? Let us see the sentence. Your foot leaves this on wet mud. What is that? Rhyming of these words. What is that word? Yes, mark. M-A-R-K, mark. Your foot leaves this on wet mud. What is that? Mark, foot mark. Okay, next. Third one. Re, he, say, they. Rhyming words. Let us see the sentence. A horse does this. What is that? Yes, neigh. N E I G H. Okay, rhyming word of these words. See, re, he, say, de, ne. Okay, next. Fourth one. This, miss, bliss, kiss. Sentence. A snake does this. What is that rhyming word of this? Yes, his. H I S S. His. Rhyming word. Right, children? So, like this, we should write. So, read this one, children. Write this neatly. Okay. Have a good day. Take care.